Miami Heat in Charlotte to take on the Charlotte Hornets as preseason basketball continues. We're going to focus on Derrick Jones a lot in this highlight as he goes up top for the lob there. Now, D-Wade's going to find Derrick Jones, who's going to go, he's going to go cradle lay in. That is beautiful. We'll talk about Derrick Jones a little bit more in a second here. Let's get into Tony Parker here. Yes, that is Tony Parker, ladies and gentlemen, in a Charlotte Hornets jersey. It is weird as heck. It doesn't look right. I don't like it. But we're here now. Tony Parker's going to find Malik Monk in the corner for three. By the way, Tony Parker's starting to learn that Charlotte offense. He did look good tonight. Speaking of Derrick Jones, we talked about him earlier in that highlight. Just doing too much. It's going to fall on his arm awkwardly. A lot of people thought it was broken. X-rays were negative. That's a good thing. He'll be reevaluated in the upcoming days. Doing too much. It's the preseason, my boy. Say that. Magruder, a lot of people talking good stuff about Magruder. He goes up top to Hassan Whiteside for the jam. Now Dwayne Wade's gonna get in the act. Pump fake. Gets Miles Bridges in the air. Gets the two to go. Let's fast forward to the third quarter here. Kemba Walker pulling for three. Hornets up 7. Dwayne Wade like, let me get him back. I'm gonna get him back for my teammate. I can do that too. Look, that's how you want to play D-Wade. His whole career, you just let him live with the 3. He buries that one. Let's go on to the 4th. Charlotte's up 10. Nice pass from TP to Malik Monk for 2. Then Tony Parker's going to find Miles Bridges, rookie out of Michigan State. He goes in 2 plus the foul. And one more time as Charlotte wins this preseason game, Tony Parker, the nifty lay-in as they defeat the Miami Heat.